Chapter number 2, Yad Bhavishyo Vinashyati. Panchtantra and Hitopdesh are famous folktale work in Sanskrit. In it, animals are the character through which preaching of wisdom has been imparted in very simple and natural way. Right from the children to old age people, everyone loves to listen the story. So, here, the lesson presented here is prepared on the basis of both Panchtantra and Hitopdesh. Vishnu Sharma, the author, has written or composed Panchtantra in 5 sections. Panch means 5, Tantra means sections. 5 sections: Mitra Bedam, Mitra Samprapti, Kakolukyam, Labdha Pranasham, Aparikshit Karakam. This story is taken from the first section, Mitra Bedam, discord between friends. The writer of Hitopdesh is Narayan Pandit. There are 4 sections in Hitopdesh, like Mitra Labh, Suhad Bed, Vigrah and Sandhi. The present story is found in the 4th section, Sandhi. Here is a story of 3 fish, Anagat Vidhata, Pratyutpannamati and Yadbhavishya. Anagat Vidhata runs away to another lake to protect itself from fishermen. When Pratyutpannamati is caught in the net, it protects itself by finding the way or remedy using its swift intellect. And third fish Yadbhavishya, thinking that what may happen will happen. So here he becomes what may and sits ideal and ruins itself. The name given to all the fishes suggests their nature. A man should think about the remedy before calamity arise in advance. Like you have board examination in March, but till you studies from the last June to March. Okay, so you are like Anagat Vidhata. Second one, who caught in problem. When he caught in problem, then he used the sharp intellect and be free from the problem. This is called Pratyutpannamati. Some students are like Pratyutpannamati. They are not studying from starting. Only the last 1-2 months they prepare fully. They work too much hard and then they got passed. Okay, they all are Pratyutpannamati. But don't be Yadbhavishya. What may happen may happen. जो होना है सो होना ही है. No, don't sit idle, because what can you read your luck? No. So don't be lazy. This is the main moral of the story. Now meanings. Jalashayah, lake. Pratyutpannamati, a name of a fish. Yadbhavishya, also the name of a fish. Matsyah, fish. Divaraha, fisherman. Alapaha, conversation. Radaha, pond or lake. Mrityuhu, death. Agadaha, medicine. Parijanaha, kinsman or relative. Kurishaha, thunderbolt, weapon of Lord Indra. Ahar vritti, means of meal or food. Chalam, net. Neeram, water. Ekasmin, in one. Tam, to him. Asmabihi, by us. Tesham, of them. Mama, my. Aparaha, another or second. Maya, by me. Saha, he. Tayoho, of both of them. Imau, these two. Etau, these two. Now adjectives. Bahumatsya ayam radah. This having many, plenty of fishes, a lake. Kulishopamam vachanam. Words or statement which is compared with thunderbolt. Pitru paita mahik chalashayah. Related to forefather's pond. Gambiram Niram, deep water. Now, adverb. Pura, formerly. Atha, now. Adhya, today. Shvaha, tomorrow. Aduna, now or at present. Mrutvat, as if dead. Yatha Shakti, according to his capacity or ability. Ata eva, therefore. Drashtva, seeing. Samakarnya, listening. Jnatva, knowing. Agamya, coming. Sandrashya, showing. Utplutya, word is difficult to speak. Utplutya, utplutya, tahaf, pahaf. Jumping. Vyapadayitavyaha, should be killed. Kartavyam, should be done. Gantavyam, should go. Anushteyam, should be done or performed. Avasthatum, to survive. Uktam, said. Anveshitaha, searched or found. Sanjata, born or produced. Nishkrantaha, removed. Sthitau, stood. Kshiptam, threw. Baddhaha, bound, trapped. Apsaritaha, removed. Pravishtaha, entered. Vasati, to stay or dwell. Gacchati, to go. Vartate, to be. Edhete, to glow or to prosper. Now some compounds are there. Anagat vidata, starting with a. Starting with a. So this word is also negative. And answer is Nantat Purush. But full meaning is Anagat Vidata. Full meaning is name of a fish, but one finding the remedies before a rise of calamity of Sashti Purush. Pratyutpannamati. Now Pratyutpannamati, one who has sharp intellect, who, who or whose, this is Bahuvrihi. Bahumatsya, having plenty of fishes, third person, lake. So it's also Bahuvrihi. Ahar Vritti, means of mill of Sashtitat Purush. Kuli Shopamam, compared, a weapon which is compared, WH question, which is compared with thunderbolt. So compared with thunderbolt. So this is Bahuvrihi because WH. Divara Lapaha, conversation of fishermen. Prabhat Kale, time of morning, Sashti. Matsya Sankshayam, killing of fish, Sashti. Jala Shayantaram, given word ends with Antaram, so it become Karmadhara Samas. Pramana Bhavat, absence of proof of Sashti Tat Purush. Ayuhu Kshayaha means end of life of Sashti Tat Purush. In exam, you don't have to separate this word in answer paper. You have just write the type of samas. But if you don't do in your mind, then you can't write proper answer. So please, all of you, translate and meanings must be learned. Okay? Then now meanings. Anagat Vidhata, name of a fish. Asmabihi anveshitah, we have found out. Ahar vrittihi sanjata, means of meal is arranged. Divaralapaha, conversation between fishermen. Matsya sankshayam, killing of fish. Karishyanti iti mama manasi vartate, I think that they will do. Tata nayuktam, it is not proper. Sampratam, at present. Jalashayantaram, towards another lake. Bhavishyadarthe, for future. Pramana bhavat, due to lack of evidence. Yatha karyam, according to work or need. Utpannamapadam, to difficulty which has occurred. Samadhatte, solves, promises. Chinta vishagna, one ruined by poison in the form of worries. Kimna piyate, why is not drunk? Now Sandhi. Yad bhavishyas cheti, yad bhavishyah plus cha plus iti. Bahumatsyo ayam radaha, bahumatsyah plus ayam plus radaha. Atra gamya, atra plus agamya. Matsya kurmadayo vyapadayitavyaha. Matsya kurmadayah plus vyapadayitavyaha. Ayam, shruto ayam, shrutah plus ayam. This Sandhi is most IMP for board examination. Atragamya, atra plus agamya. Tanna yuktam, tat plus na plus yuktam. Choktam, cha plus uktam. Yastu, yah plus tu. Ayuhu kshayo asti, ayuhu kshayah plus asti. Chinta vishagno ayam agadah. Chinta vishagnah plus ayam plus agadah. Tatraiva, tatra plus eva. Tato jalat, tatah plus jalat. Ata evoktam, atah plus ev plus uktam. Dvavaito, dvau plus etau. Yad bhavishyo vinashyati, yad bhavishyah plus vinashyati. Now the chapter. Good story. Hello friends, I am Bhumir sir. Please મારી ચેનલ ભૂમિર સર એને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરો અને સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 9th 10th 11th 12th ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમ ગુજરાતી મીડિયમ બંનેના ગુજરાતી સંસ્કૃત અને એસએસ ત્રણેય સબ્જેક્ટના વિડીયોઝ તમે જોઈ શકશો. ઓકે, આ ચેનલ પબ્લિકલી છે જેમાં કોઈ બીજા કન્ટેન્ટ્સ નથી, ઓનલી એજ્યુકેશન રિલેટેડ છે. સો પ્લીઝ દરેક જણ આ ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરતા રહો અને નવા નવા વિડીયોઝ તમે જોઈ શકશો. તમારા બાળકોને અથવા તો ફ્રેન્ડ સર્કલમાં કોઈ પણ હોય એને પણ તમે આ વિડીયોઝ બતાવી શકશો. ઓકે, સો થેન્ક યુ ફોર ધીસ કોઓપરેશન. ઓકે, બાય. ચેપ્ટર પૂરા એકસ્મિન જલાશયે અનાગત વિધાતા પ્રત્યુત્પન્નમતિ યદ્ભવિષ્યશ્ચ ઇતિ ત્રયો મત્સ્યાઃ વસન્તિ સ્મ. In the past, 3 male fishes, Anagat Vidhata, Pratyutpannamati, and Yad Bhavishya, were living in a lake. Atha kadachit tam jalashayam drashtva divaraihi uktam aho bahumatsyo ayam radaha. And then, now once having seen the lake, it was said by fishermen, "Ah, this lake has plenty of fishes in it. It was never discovered by us." अस्माभिः अपि न अस्माभिः अन्वेषितः। तदद्य आहारवृत्तिः सञ्जाता श्वः अत्र आगम्य मत्स्य कूर्मादयः व्यापादयितव्या इति निश्चयः। But today our food provision is made. So coming here tomorrow we will surely kill the fishes and turtles, all the fishes and turtles. अथ तेषां कुलिशोपमं वचनं समाकर्ण्य मत्स्याः परस्परं प्राहुः श्रुतो अयम दिव्यलापः. Then having heard the speech like thunderbolt, one fish said, this conversation of fishermen is heard. Tatra anagat vidhata nam matsya praha. Then anagat vidhata said, nunam prabhat samaye divaraha atra agamya matsya sankshayam karishyanti iti mama manasi vartate. Then anagat vidhata said, I think fishermen will come surely tomorrow early morning and will kill all the fishes and turtles. All the fishes and turtles. Tanna yuktam sampratam kshanamapi atra avasthatum. So we should not stay here for a moment. Asmabhihi ratrau eva kinchit samipam saraha gantavyam. So tonight we should go nearby the lake. We should go nearby the lake. Aparaha pratyutpanmatihi prah bhavishyadarte pramanaabhavat kutra gantavyam तदुत्पन्ने यथा कार्यम तदनुष्ठेयम तथा च उक्तम आप उत्पन्नम आपदम यस्तु समादत्ते सबुद्धिमान. When the calamity arises and we take actions as per calamity and we find the remedy, this is only called intelligent. So translation is, Pratyutpanmati said, since due to absence of proof for future, where should I go? So when the problem arises, I should do whatever should be done. It is said, he who solves the calamity when it arises is really intelligent. Then tato yad bhavishyena uktam divaranam vachanmatrena pitrupaita mahikasya jalasayasya त्यागः न युज्यते. यदि आयुः क्षयो अस्ति तदा अन्यत्र गतानाम् अपि मृत्युः भविष्यति एव. उक्तं च. Then यद भविष्य said, it is not proper to leave the lake that belonged to our forefather by hearing only the harsh word from fishermen. If life is over, then even going elsewhere, death will surely come. And also said, yad bhavi na tad bhavi, bhavi chenna tadanyatha, iti chinta vishagno ayam agadaha khinna piyate. So, it means whatever is not going to happen will not happen. If something going to happen, it is sure. It will be, or it is sure. Why this type of medicine which kills anxiety, poison of anxiety, I should not drunk by you. So, अथतयो निश्चयं ज्ञात्वा अनागत विधाता निष्क्रांतः परिजनेन सह. अनागत विधाता lived the lake with his family. द्वौ इमौ, two fishes, द्वौ इमौ तत्रैव जलाशये स्थितौ. Two fish stay there only. अप्रेद्युः धीवरैः आगत्य जलाशये जालं क्षिप्तं. जालेन बद्धः प्रत्युत्पन्नमतिः मृत्वत् आत्मानं संदृश्य स्थितः ततो जालात् अपसारितः यथाशक्ति उत्प्लुत्य गंभीरं नीरं प्रविष्टः यद् भविष्य धीवरैः प्राप्तः व्यापादितः च. So then, having heard the decision of both of them, Anagat Vidata went out with his family to another lake, but these two stay there only. Next day fishermen came and threw the net in the lake. Both Pratyutpanmati and Yadbhavishya trapped in the net, but Pratyutpanmati remained like as a dead. And fisherman knows that the fish which is dead, not doing anything, total dead, that fish is not eatable. So they throw Pratyutpanmati out of the net in the lake. And this time Pratyutpanmati jumped as per according to his ability and go to the dip in the water and save his life. But Yadbhavishya, fishermen kill Yadbhavishya. So this is said. Anagat vidata cha pratyutpanmati dvavaito sukham edyate. Anagat vidata and pratyutpanmati both got prosper. But Yadbhavishya vinashyati. But Yadbhavishya, who only depends on luck, always destroyed. So this is the chapter number 2. End of the chapter number 2.